Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Here we go, everyone! La, 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 la.
Me 20 miles! Go, 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 go! Go!
Man, now I got dirt in my...
Tired life for my whole life!
Then you know who I am. I'm Lightning McQueen.
Lightning McQueen!
Yes.
You know, I asked my uncle once how I'd know when it was time to stop.
¡Ya hoy suficiente! ¡Y fuera! watch him every second of the day anymore.
Forecast. 100% chance of thunder. Gazooga, gazooga.
I'll say. Step with you. All night long.
Could you please step aside?
Oh, sure.
I miss you, Stan.
Belleville County Unified School District.
Man, thanks for being my pit crew today.
Don't worry about it, kid. The least I could do.
I hereby dub thee Sir Toe Mate.
Mama ain't seen you that low in years. I haven't seen a road like this in.
Futile to resist change, man.
You're right, Fillmore.
Really?
Wait a sec.
McQueen and Sally, right beneath the gate. K-I-S-S.
Relájate, estas vías no...
¡Avanza! ¡Rápido, rápido! ¡Corre! ¡Más rápido!
I really didn't have a choice. Mater didn't get to say goodbye.
Goodbye! Okay. Go! Name change, man! Right back at ya! Oops!
What are you doing, kid?
I think the king should finish his last race.
Then win, Francesco.
always wins. It's boring.
I gotta tell you, dude, you were in trouble for a while. That
Te dan por vencido. ¡Ah!
there's smoke on the casino bridge.
I like your style, eh? You drive the hard bargain. Okay, we should make you. And
You are not winning.
Straight. Lightning McQueen must be killed.
It's right here.
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad.